wonderful session. We have reached our final and a very special keynote session of the day, and what a journey it has been. To close this summit on the highest note, we are truly delighted to welcome our last distinguished keynote speaker from India, Dr. Amrutha. Dr. Amrutha is an associate professor at Adi Shankara Institute of Engineering and Technology, and she is also the proud postdoctoral fellow right here at AI Explain You Science. Her dedication to research, her passion for engineering and technology education, and her commitment to innovation make her an outstanding member of a global academic community. We are so proud that she is our AI Explain You Science research family. Dr. Amrutha, a very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Please turn on your mic and the virtual stage is all yours.
Hello,
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay, fine. So thank you. Thanks for the nice welcome that you have given. Thanks a lot for that. Okay, so we will start our section without any delay. So I will share the PPT. So you can see now. Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Okay, we'll start. So the topic that today I would like to discuss is about the agentic AI, that is understanding the autonomous AI generation. So as we all are aware that it is totally totally we have to explore that today we are here is without AI we can't able to do anything. So most of us are familiar with all the AI tools like ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, Copilot, etc. This systems is responses to our questions and as well as the commands. So what if AI could independently plan the task, make decisions, use tools, and achieve goals with minimal human involvement? So this can be done exactly by using this agentic AI. And in this section, we are going to understand what the agentic AI is and how it is working and its architecture, real applications, and etc. etc. So these are the agenda that I have planned today to take in the classes to the today's session. So this is the roadmap that I would like to understand. So first of all, what is an agentic AI? So agentic AI refers to an AI system that can plan, reason, and act autonomously without without, we can't say without involvement of human being, with a less number of involvement of human being. And unlike traditional AI, the systems are not limited to simply answering the question. Instead of that, it pursue a goal, make a decision based on a context, and learn from the outcome. Thinking of it as moving from an assistant that only responds to the question, request to the digital employee, to all other completing the task independently. For example, we have traditional AI that is taking if I'm telling to the chat GPT, tell me how the flight options are, or how I can able to book a flight. So agentic AI will do, instead of giving the suggestions, it will compare the flight options, and even the book the ticket for me and send me the confirmation. So that is the agentic AI. So traditional AI, I would like to give a comparison between the traditional AI and agentic AI. In the traditional AI, it wait for the instruction. It also handle one task at a time, and it require a frequent human supervision, vising of the AI. But agentic AI, here we only take the initiative positions that is done by the human being, nothing else. It plans multiple steps, analyzes, uses multiple tools and memories, and works towards the goal with minimum intervention of the human being. So as easy we can say, this traditional AI will look like a calculator which do the task when we are pressing the buttons, and agentic AI will work as a personal secretary which will be doing whatever the task that we require to do. Okay, so this is a simple example that is done. The chatbot is a traditional AI and agentic AI. So here the slides us visually highlights us the key differences between these two. Notice how agentic AI introduce the reasoning, memory, and planning and actions are there. The shift is from the reactive intelligence to proactive intelligence, and this transition is driven from the next generation of an intelligence system. So before that, we have to know what are the core characteristics that is agentic AI do. So agentic AI have 5 major characteristics. First one is autonomy, which operate independently. Then second one is goal oriented basis, that is focus on the achieving the objectives, and planning and reasoning, that is creative active action plans. And then fourth one is tool usage, that is interact with the external system should be there. And the fifth and the last one is memory and the learning. It has the capacity to remember and the previous experience, so that it makes the decision as properly. So this characteristic makes AI agent more powerful than the standard chatbot. Now the agentic AI architecture session. So here we are giving an overview of the architecture. The architecture of agentic AI consists of several interconnected components, as we can see in the figure. So it starts with a goal and moves towards the planning session, and from there it has a memory so that it can take the decisions, or find the decisions by taking the previous experience data that we have, and tools usages. Then it executes and do the feedback loop. So thinking of it as a cycle rather than a single action, each component contributes to an intelligent decision making. So we will look at each and everything individually. So first one is the goal and or the input. Everything brings with a goal. That is, the goal tells the AI what it should accomplish. Example, if when I'm saying that book the cheapest flight from Kochi to Bangalore. So the quality of the goal directly affect the quality of the output. Similarly to how students need clear instruction before starting an assignment, like that we have to give a clear goal to the corresponding agentic AI so that the clear output should be obtained. So second phase, after getting a clear goal or input, we will go with an planning engine. So once a goal is received, the planning engine creates a route map and it breaks a little larger task into smaller manageable tasks. Example of booking a flight from Kerala to Bangalore. First task can be searching the flight. Second task will be the comparison. Third task will be the searching the best option, and the fourth one the booking the ticket. So likewise, it will do a complete plan, and it split the tasks into a smaller split the task into smaller one. Next one is the memory. Memory and enable the personalization. The agent remember users preference and past interaction, and based on does the are planning it does the result analysis. For example, if for booking a airplane, so he know which the user prefer based on the previous experience, previous booking style, and the favorite food that it will be liking, and the frequently location that it will go. So it's just like a human memory. It remembers the experience, and the AI agent use this memory to improve the future discussions. And the next one is the tool integration. So AI agent become powerful when connected to the external tools. So here we uses the external tools can be Google Map, Weather API, database, email systems, gateways, etc. So without tool, the AI can only generate text. So with tool, it can be create an interaction with the real world. Then after that, we will go for the action execution. After the planning has done, then the memory, as well as he has taken the everything from the memory, has been created the tool integration, everything has been done. Then after that, the agent team performs the action. He sends the email, schedules the meeting, report, books the service, and thus makes the decision and convert in actually outcomes. So why the feedback loop? So what is that feedback is an critical one for the improvement. So the agent that is working behind it, it checks whether the task successfully completed. If sometime it fails, it adjusts the plans and tries again. Suppose if for the booking the flight, if it fails, it again make the planning, searches alternative way and try to attend another booking. So likewise, it will be trying to do it. So that's why we require the feedback loop, and which is an important and critical portion of our agentic AI. And so this make the system adaptive and more resilient to the corresponding environment. So the architecture is like this. I will like to summarize the architecture. It starts from a goal, it goes to the planning state, it checks the memory for the previous result of previous feedback, then it goes to the integration, it integrates so many tools that is available and perform the corresponding action, and based on that action checks whether the result is obtained or not. If the result is not obtained, it go back to the feedback section loop, and again the same process continues. So these components works together continuously, and it forms a cycle in what gives the agentic AI its intelligence and autonomy. So the key components of the agentic AI, that is now we will be able to look at the technologies powerfuling the agentic AI. These components act as a building blocks of the intelligent AIs. First one is the LLM. The LLM, as you can see, LLM is there, memory system is there, planning module, external tools and APIs, monitoring and evaluation. So LLM, what it do is, LLM is a brain of an agent. For example, it includes the OpenAI, GPT models, Google Gemini models is also there. It provides the reasoning, learning, and understanding and decision-making ability. However, the LLM alone are not agents. They need memory tools and planning systems for execution. For that purpose, we use the memory system. So memory systems allow the agent to retain the usefulness information. There are two types of memories that we are incorporating here. That is the short-term memory and the long-term memory. Based on the different project, it will be used. And memory improve the personalization and continuity of the person in a personalized form. Then the planning modules, which helps to break the goals into subtasks. It prioritizes the different action and optimize the execution. Without planning, the agents cannot be act. Agent will act as randomly, which does not have what to do. So it will be a mess up will be created. Then the external tools and APIs. So APIs allow the agents to communicate with the external services that are available, and this APIs extends the agent capability dramatically, so that it works wide world, so that we can get the tasks, we can get the services so easily. Then the monitoring and the evaluation process. A monitor ensures that the agent perform the task effectively, and ensure the evaluation, make sure the success, and identify the failure that happens in the system. And this data is used to improve the future performance also. So these are the key components that I have would like to discussed here. Next, we would like to discuss about the agentic workflow that we have. So agentic workflow. So agentic workflow, this workflow demonstrates how an agent operates from a start to the finish. Every task follows these stages. So the stages that are, you can see, receive the goals, analyze the contest, create the plans, execution of actions, result, and refine the repeat. Same as that of the key components, it is refined. This is iterative process make an AI agent intelligent and adaptable. So the workflow is like that. Each explaining each steps using a practical example. I will be a good thing that will make the understandings most easily. That is, goal: organized a meeting where analyze the participation. We can, if we are analyzing a meeting, we can analyze the participation schedules, creates the plans, and send the invitations corresponding, and checks the response is happening, rescheduling if needed. So this can be an example where students can be connected to a particular scheduled program, where it can easily get how many participants can be arrived within the particular time. So now we will like to discuss about the popular agentic frameworks. So several frameworks help the developer build AI agents. Some popular ones includes the LNG graph, then OpenAI agent SDK, AutoGen, Crew AI, LangChain. So this framework simplifies the creation of AI agents. So now we would like to go through the real world usage cases. So we have lot of real world usage cases are there. That is, agentic AI is already transforming the industries, customer support, automations. It helps in the research field. Coding agents are there, financial analysis agents are there. So wherever we can go, there are a lot of agents are there, where that making the world more intelligence and help to be autonomy. Instead of agentic AI, we have multi agent systems are now developing. Sometimes single agent is not enough to do everything. Like we have a single secretary which are doing, which is not enough. We require more persons, more assistants to do it. So that is the multi-agent systems. Single systems are very it's not enough. Sometimes multiple specialized agents are collaborated together to do something better. So such as, if example, if I'm saying the research agent, analyze agent, write agents and reviewing agents will be making the decision more, or making the it will be look like similar to the department within an organization. problematic if the proper human approval is not provided in the system. Then the future of agentic AI is the future is like promising. We can expect it. It works in the enterprise automation, autonomous digital workers is there, human AI collaborations, then industry specialized intelligence agents can be happen. So by this we can hello.
Yes, ma'am. I think we lost your connection.
Okay, so where it was lost, I can't able to get that. So where I have to start from the beginning.
No, ma'am. What?
No,
No.
ma'am. Uh-huh.
Okay, so from where, ma'am? Can please help me? Hello.
Ma'am, you may proceed from a multi-agent system.
Okay. Sorry for the problem, ma'am.
No worries.
So I will better switch off my camera so the net will not get any issue again.
Yes, ma'am.
So PPT visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. I was, as I'm with saying, in the multiple agents system, sometimes a single agents is not enough to do the task properly. So we will go for the multi-agent concept. So there can be, we can arrange the architecture in vertical architecture form or horizontal architecture form. So here what is do is so many specialized agencies will be working together as one department within an organization and complete the corresponding task given to them properly. So the benefit of multiple agent system AI is they have high productivity. It will be producing reduce the manual effort that we are providing, as well as it will help to reduce the what we can say decision faster decision makings can be happen, as well as continuous operation and scalability also can be better momented. So instead of single AI. So for a small project or the required project, it's single agent AI is very good. But in the large cases, if we are thinking of the worldwide, so we have to go with the multiple agent concept. Now we can discuss about the challenges and the risk factors that affects in the agentic AI. Despite of the advantages, agentic AI has lot of challenges faces here. One is the hallucination, which is the most important dangerous case. That is from the beginning, what it is giving 60 percentage of correct form. It continuously, if the agentic AI continues, so what happens is sometimes we also feel that that is the correct one, even though it is 60% correct and remaining 40 is wrong. So that is the hallucination. It also have the risk factors, security risk factors are there, privacy factors are also there. Here we can use the tools can be misused can by the agentic AI. So high cost, operational cost is also a factor. Then the governance and the compliance concerns can be also then so we can't able to say the AI development is essential, responsible, but we have to be secure that whatever the things generated from the agentic AI, it should be have a proper supervision of an human being, but human involvement should be, it makes the human involvement very less. Then the future of agentic AI, the futures look promising. We are expected that the agentic AI works in the enterprise automation. Then it also has worked in the digital the automation of digital workers, human AI collaboration, industry specific intelligent agent. So AI will increasingly becomes a team towards teammates rather than just a tool. So it should be a teammate rather than we have to use as a tool, so that it will also after some time it will be like a human friend. So we will be going together by with them. So the in this session, I would like to that agentic AI will be, if we are formulating a formula with that, it will say goal that we are giving, the planning will be done, the action will be obtained. So let me summarize the today's sessions. That is, agentic AI combines the goal, plan, memory, tools, and action together. It becomes beyond the traditional chatbot. It enables the automation and intelligent decision makings. It provides the governance and the monitoring remaining more critical. So agentic AI represent the next major revolution of AI system. So that's all about my session, and I would like to thank you for your attention and the participation. I hope the sessions provides a clear understanding of agentic AI in its potential, and I am also very happy for taking the sessions to you. So I would like to be more happy if anyone has any questions, or I can able to answer that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dear participant, this is a great opportunity to interact with our speaker. If you have any question, please do ask. No question? Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Amrutha, for this wonderful and memorable session. Your passion for engineering education and AI research has been a perfect way to close the keynote session of this summit. We are truly grateful and proud to have you as a part of our AI Explain You Science family. Thank you so much, ma'am, once again.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for the opportunity. And I would like to do the more sessions with you in the future
Thank you so much,
time.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Dear
So,
audience, this concludes all our keynote sessions for today. We will now be moving to our grand closing ceremony at 8:30, and our team has shared the closing ceremony link in the WhatsApp group at 8:25. Thank you so much.